Hello Live Wires, Heather Boyd Wire here, and today it's Tip Tuesday. Today I'm making a double heart twisted wire ring using 20 gauge artistic wire. I have flat pliers, cutters, my ring mandrel, and my round pliers. We're starting with 10 to 12 inches of 20 gauge artistic wire, and we're going to bend it with the round pliers at about the halfway point and just give it a little tug to make a teeny loop in the middle of the heart. So now we're getting the beadle-on stepped bail making pliers, and we are going to form the top of the heart. So holding the wire right at the end of the round pliers, we're going to form the curve, flip it over so we can access that wire, and curve it around to make the other side of the heart. So we're going to try to make the heart as symmetrical as possible. The wires are crisscrossed. We're going to hold it firmly and twist, making sure the wires are out at an equal angle to make a nice even twist. So keep going until you have the length that you need. I am going to measure about 2 inches, depends on the size of your finger. So once it's twisted for about 2 inches, get your beadle-on nylon jaw pliers to hold the twisted wire so it won't scratch, and we're just going to give that end a little bit of a tug to finish it off. So now I'll clip the wire with the Xuron micro shear flush cutters, and we are going to get our Xuron tweezer nose pliers to pinch in that little sharp end. So once we've done that, we're going to bend the wire at a bit of an angle to form the other heart. We'll get the looping pliers again to form the first side of the heart. You might have to wiggle the wire around a little bit to make it the same size as our first heart. And then we'll get our small round nose pliers to make the little loop in the middle. I will link up these pliers in the description below the video. They're a nice fine tipped round nose plier. So we're going to form that little loop in the center. Make sure it's in the right position. You might have to adjust it a little bit. You can unwind the wire and wind it up again. Give it a little tug to make that loop smaller, and then we'll get the looping pliers again, holding the wire at the end of the looping pliers, just form it around to make our heart, trying to make it symmetrical there. So that looks good, and from there we're going to have to twist the little end around to finish it off. So hold the heart snugly. If it's easier, get the tweezer nose pliers and bend that wire around. Clip it with the flush cutters and push the end in with the tweezer nose pliers. Pinch it in a little bit so it's going to hold. And there is our formation. We can measure it to a total of 2 3/4 inches depending on the size of your finger. Hold it on the ring mandrel a little smaller than your ring size and curve it around. It will bounce back a little bit, so give it a good little push with your thumbs and your fingers. You can push it up the ring mandrel to make it a little bigger. You can also hammer it a little bit to harden up the wire, and there you have your super cute twisted wire double heart ring. Much for watching the video. Give it a big thumbs up if you liked it. Be sure to subscribe to my channel for lots more wire art and jewelry making videos. And if you'd like to share photos of your wire art and jewelry, be sure to join the Wire Makers Club on Facebook. And if you'd like to check out my work on Etsy, my husband and I specialize in custom wedding cake toppers and funky jewelry. I also have a mailing list, so if you'd like to sign up below, I'll send you my Wire Art Essentials ebook. So thanks again for watching, and we'll see you the next time.